I was actually quite surprised when I found out about this recognition. So thank you so much, People Asia. It's such an honor to be in a room full of significant men.
I am Belle Mariana and I am a proud
여러분
Filipino.
안녕하십니까?
Thank you Seoul International Drama Award for this
마리아노입니다. 이렇게 큰 무대에 서서 수상하게 된
Power Tandem of the Year, Donnie Pangilinan and Belle Mariana.
I have to be honest. This journey wasn't the easiest. There were ups and downs, but I wouldn't change a thing about it because this journey has taught me so much. I love you guys, and this journey I'm so grateful because I get to go through this with an amazing and supportive partner. And I get to meet such amazing supporters. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much for being there for us from the very beginning up to the very end. Thank you.
Wow, first awards night natin to together, no? Maraming salamat po, PMPC. Ayun, sa lahat po na nandito ngayon, isang karangalan po na nandito kami ni Belle, ang ating pinakamamahal na supporters. Kayo po ang inspirasyon namin.